Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss some more asexual reproduction processes. Okay, so here first one is budding. The first one is budding. So we know that, okay, yeast cells they reproduce by bud formation, So here this is the yeast cell and here a developing bud. So slowly a bud is formed here. Okay, it is developing, and finally this bud gets detached from the parent yeast cell. Parent yeast cell, and this is the new yeast cell. After getting detached, they will form new yeast cell. Okay, so this is new bud, or after it gets detached, it becomes new yeast cell. Okay, after that, what happens? This yeast cell also gives rise to new yeast cell. Okay, that new yeast cell or the new bud. Okay, from that again again buds may arise. And forms into a chain. So if this process continues, so within a short period of time we will get more yeast cells. And please take note of this point, that yeasts are single celled organisms. Okay, yeasts are single celled organisms. That means what? In other words, we can say it as they are unicellular. Okay, this yeast is made up of single cell, whereas in human beings we have many cells. We are known as multicellular organisms. With this single cell, they can undergo all the processes like respiration, digestion, absorption, and here it is reproduction, right? So with that single cell, they undergo reproduction. First, what will form? Okay, first bud will form. That bud gets detached from the parents. Okay, they may grow individually, or else they may also grow in a chain form. Okay, and if this process continues, within short period of time, okay, there will be more number of yeast cells. More number of yeast cells. Okay, more number of yeast cells. So what we have to remember is that, okay, yeast, the unicellular organism, if they reproduce by forming bud. Okay, so under body, this is the organism that we are discussing under the heading of body. Okay, so this is the organism, they reproduce by forming bud. And the next one we are going to discuss is fragmentation. Okay, the next one we are going to discuss is fragmentation. Okay, fragmentation is also one type of asexual reproduction. Okay, so you might have seen that in a pond or in stagnant water, the green patches. Okay, why the stagnant water and pond water they are green? Because of the slimy green patches. Okay, they are what? They are algae. Okay, if we see, they are slimy and green patches. Okay, so this algae, okay, they reproduce by fragmentation. Example, Spirogyra. Okay, Spirogyra is the algae. Okay, Spirogyra is the algae, which reproduce by fragmentation, So if we see their structure, algae is like this. Okay, algae are like this. Okay, these algae, they break into pieces. They break into pieces. They break into pieces. These algae, they break into pieces. This is what organism? This is Spirogyra. Okay, if they break into pieces, these pieces again they can produce a new individual organism of Spirogyra. Okay, if they break into pieces, each pieces can produce into a new individual Spirogyra. So this Spirogyra reproduces through fragmentation. So what is fragmentation? Fragmentation is breaking into pieces. Okay, so this organism, they break into pieces, and each pieces they can give rise to a new individual. Okay, So this reproduction is seen in the organism known as Spirogyra. Spirogyra is one type of algae. They are one type of algae, and mostly they are seen in where we saw that in pond water and in stagnant water bodies. Okay, and the next asexual reproduction that we are going to discuss is spore formation. Okay, so it is a type of asexual reproduction through spores. Now what are spores? We are going to see in a while. So here we know that organism, for example, organism like Rhizopus or the bread mold. Okay, they will have what? A sporangia. And they will have hyphae. Okay, and they can grow in moist places. Best example in bread piece. So they can grow in bread pieces. So they will have what? Hyphae for attachment. In the bread piece. So this is bread piece, a piece of bread. Okay. So this Rhizopus, they will have what? Hyphae for attachment. Okay. So this is known as sporangia or sporangium. If it is single, sporangium. Inside this sporangium, they will have what? Many number of spores. Okay. On maturation or on fully grown, if they grow completely, that means when they get maturity. Okay, under maturation, this sporangium they break. Okay, they break. Finally, what is exposed? Finally, spores are exposed. Okay, finally, spores are exposed. So this sporangium will have what? Spores. Okay, finally, spores are exposed. These spores, they float in the what float in the air. They are found in the air. They float in air. Now they float in air, but these spores, they have a hard covering. So these spores will have hard covering. Why? In order to protect from the unfavorable environmental conditions. In order to protect from unfavorable environmental conditions. What are unfavorable environmental conditions? Unfavorable conditions. So these spores, okay, or let us say like this. These spores, they are having protective coat. Protective coat. Okay. Think this is the protective coat and the spore is found. The spore is found here. So this spore is what? Spores, or this spore is asexual reproductive part. Asexual reproductive part. So spores are asexual reproductive part. These spores, they will have what? Protective coat. Protective coat. So that they can withstand. They can withstand or they can tolerate. They can tolerate unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions or unfavorable environmental conditions. What are those unfavorable environmental conditions? They are high temperature, and low humidity. So these are unfavorable conditions. So if it is high temperature, these spores may get destroyed, and if it is having low humidity, they may lose their water content. These spores, they may lose their water content and they may get destroyed. In order to protect these spores, they have what? Protective coat. Protective coat. Okay. Why they have? To withstand unfavorable conditions. To withstand unfavorable conditions. And they are present where? They are present now in the air. They are found floating in the air. Floating in the air. Now, wherever there is favorable, wherever there is moist places, the best example of moist places, let us take it as bread. Okay, bread. Okay, those spores, they will get attached with the bread, and each spores, they can germinate into a new rhizopus now. Okay, new rhizopus. So these floating spores in the air, they will find best places like moist places, and they can grow into a new individual like rhizopus. Okay, so what we need to understand here is rhizopus, they reproduce by forming spores. By forming spores, or rhizopus, okay, they reproduce by means of spore formation. By means of spore formation. Means of spore formation. So, which is the organism? It is rhizopus. It is rhizopus, and not only rhizopus, we also see spore formation in moss. In moss. Okay, moss and fen. Moss and fen. Okay, moss and fen. Okay, now let us see that whatever we discussed today. Okay, whatever we discussed today at a glance. Okay, we will move quickly. So what we have discussed? The mode of asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction. So we saw under this three asexual mode of reproduction. First one we saw, that was budding. First one was budding. Okay. Budding. And the next one we saw was spore formation, right? Fragmentation. Okay. And the third one that we discussed was spore formation. So budding, under this we saw the organism like yeast. They reproduce by forming what? Buds. Bud. Okay. And under fragmentation we saw spirogyra. The organism like spirogyra. They reproduce by forming fragmentation. Fragmentation means what? Breaking into pieces. And each pieces can generate a new organism known as spirogyra. And the third one that we discussed was spore formation. In spore formation we discussed about rhizopus. Okay, rhizopus. So what is rhizopus? It is a bread mold, or simply known as fungus. It is a bread mold, or simply known as fungus. So all these things we discussed in today's class. So we know that yeast is a single cell organism, and it also increases the size of bread, right? It also increases the size of bread. Okay. In 6th class you might have studied about the duff formation. Okay, of what? Of bread. Okay, duff formation of bread. Why? Because of the organism known as yeast. They can undergo multiplication within a few hours of time, or short period of time. Okay, and they can produce duff in the bread. So all this we have discussed in today's class. In next class we are going to discuss the sexual reproduction in plants. Thank you.